A very good afternoon, one and all. This is Pravartan Tatte, delighted and privileged to welcome you all to this 7th edition of Orange City Literature Festival organized by Raisoni Foundation. I take this opportunity to introduce to the audience the hour's topic, From Hurt to Hope, Building Self-Worth and Resilient Minds, with Ms. Kavyal Sedani in conversation with Ms. Niharika Chugh. Today we have with us Ms. Kavyal Sedani, a leading voice in mental and emotional health space with an impactful career of over 17 years. With a community of more than 1 million Instagram followers, she has influenced thousands through her thoughtful and insightful content. An internationally recognized mental health content creator, life coach, hypnotherapist, and NLP practitioner, Kavyal is known for metaphor therapy, graphology, numerology, and tarot. She specializes in helping individuals overcome anxiety, depression, family and parental challenges, and career-related concerns. Her work empowers people to move beyond emotional blocks, limiting beliefs, and self-doubt, making her a trusted guide in personal transformation. A seasoned tarot educator, Kavyal has conducted over 25 batches of comprehensive tarot trainings. Her best-selling workshops, Life, Death and Karma, Love and Relationships, Manifest Like a Millionaire, and Embracing Feminine Abundance are widely admired for their depth and clarity. Motivated by a desire to create positive change, Kavyal became a therapist to help individuals reconnect with their inner strength and purpose. With 4.9-star Google rating, her credibility is well established. Her Instagram presence serves as a sanctuary for those seeking healing, self-awareness, and spiritual growth. We have Niharika Chugh as the moderator of this session. Niharika is an entrepreneur in kids' recreation space. She is the founder of Jump, an indoor playground focused on reviving touch and feel play and the power of imagination in early childhood years. Niharika began her career as a news anchor and correspondent with the Times Group and later also worked in spheres of design and freelance copywriting. She completed her post-graduation in International Communications from University of Leeds after graduating in BA Honours English from Lady Shri Ram College, Delhi University. She has also completed an Emerging Leaders Executive Program from Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. As the topic itself is so very captivating that can make us all dwell deep into forgetting the time frame, I must appreciate the guests of this session for having accepted and structured this topic into a frame of 40 minutes, inclusive of the audience question hour. I request all the audience also to help this session be conducted smoothly by keeping their mobiles either on off or silent modes. I now hand over the session to the guest and to the moderator, From Hurt to Hope, Building Self-Worth and Resilient Mind.
Thank you for that introduction. Numbers for what we can expect will be 40 precious minutes of pure wholesomeness as we look within and try to understand what it takes to get from hurt to hope with someone who beautifully blends spirituality and human psychology to make it sound almost like common sense. For those who follow her, you know what I'm talking about. She delivers pearls of ancient wisdom in a manner that becomes highly relatable, accessible, and practical for us in our present day lives. And to understand more, we have Kavyal here with us. Please join me in welcoming her today.
Thank you, thank you. It's very surreal for me to be here. In fact, most of today I have been very quiet. That's usually not me. I'm paid to talk, remember? So I've been very quiet because 2011, exactly at a literature festival, was when my life completely turned around and changed. I was at Jaipur Literature Festival, and my idol Oprah Winfrey was coming all the way from the US. And I was one of you sitting over there, literally had blocked my seat from 6 o'clock in the morning, and her show was at 1. Just crying all through. And this was not a part of my manifestation, never really, that, oh, one day I want to be there. No. But I think it's just thanks to all of you and, the fact that you just like the common sense pretty much that I speak, that I've shifted from this chair to this chair. And deep gratitude to all of you for the endless love that you send my way.
It's an honor to have you in our midst, Kavyal. And let me also take this opportunity to tell you all that Kavyal is going to be doing a very special healing ritual for us at the end of this session. So please stick around, hold on to your seats. You don't want to miss it. And without wasting any time, let's get straight to the subject of today's discussion, which is centered around the themes of hurt and hope. Now, when we think of hurt, we subconsciously know that that is the one thing guaranteed for anyone alive, right? That it's going to find us at some point, in some form, at some scale. And while it happens to all of us, we also see that some crumble under the weight of it, and others emerge stronger. They make their pain itself the catalyst for change, and they find their purpose in the process. And it's probably because pain is so definitive of how our journeys shape up and what we turn into eventually, that that hurt and pain and trauma have been extensively philosophized for generations in our epics, in our stories, in our religious teachings. If I were to quote a translation from the Bhagavad Gita, where Krishna says, I have a purpose for your pain and a reason for your struggle. And similarly, the Quran also juxtaposes pain with purpose beautifully. And it says, with hardship comes ease. And so on and so forth, all religions kind of, in a nutshell, weave the same kind of narrative around pain, that it is a positive, it is a gift, it is good, and it is transformative even. And while all of this is lofty and lovely and lyrical to listen to, the fact is, as human beings, when pain hits us, when trauma hits us, we get knocked down. And sometimes we get knocked down pretty bad. And getting back up itself feels like a struggle. Forget finding hope and resilience and transformation and purpose, which some people are able to do and some aren't. I want to begin by asking you, why is it so hard to reframe pain as a positive? Why do our minds register it as hurt? And if the wound indeed is the place where the light enters you, like Rumi famously said, then what is the master key to finding that hope to begin with, especially for someone who is in the throes of suffering?
I have very rich clients, very, very rich, very privileged clients. They don't have any problems in their life. Everything, they will wake up, they'll put their feet on a Gucci carpet with Armani slippers and, a butler coming and giving them their cold pressed juice, and their children are studying in the most expensive universities. They have the most expensive cars, the most expensive bags. They call me and they say, "Sab kuch hai." I can't feel happy. I don't know how to, I don't feel happy really. मतलब कुछ missing है, पता नहीं क्या missing है. You would give your right arm to have their life. They're looking for joy and happiness. Tattoo this. Happiness and joy will come from solving life's big problems. जब आप 70-80 साल के हो जाएंगे ना, और जब आपके पोते पोती नाता नाती जब आपके आसपास घूम रहे हैं और वो आपको बोलेंगे, नानी आपकी स्टोरी सुनाओ ना, वो वाली स्टोरी. आप कौन सी स्टोरी सुनाओगे कि हम लोग संडे को डोसा खाने जाते थे, मंडे को गोभी के पराठे बनाते थे? क्या, व्हाट इज द स्टोरी? द स्टोरी दे वांट टू हियर इज जब आपका पूरा घर आपसे छीन लिया गया, या जब आपका एक्सीडेंट हो गया, उसके बाद आप कैसे उठे, कैसे किया, और वही स्टोरी आप शायद 600 बार सुनाओगे। और वही स्टोरी से जो आगे के जनरेशन्स है ना, दे विल टेक इंस्पिरेशन, दे विल लाइक यार मेरी नानी ने वो किया था, मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती। Joy will come from solving life's problems. That's where your self-esteem comes from. जब एक storm आता है कहीं पे, storm का भी एक कर्मा होता है। हमको लगता है कि यार ये क्या, मतलब सब बर्बाद करके छोड़ दिया। If you ask a storm that why did you do all this तहस नहस everything, the storm is not going to say वही मूड था कर लिया। The storm is not here to destroy things. The storm is here to reveal कि किसके roots strong है। As souls, we have all taken birth for a special purpose. Okay? How many of you here, if you get 1 minute with Kavyal Sedani, you will stand up and say, if I tell you I can read your energy, you will stand up and ask me, what is my life's purpose? Yes or no? What is my life's purpose? Okay? We all do have a purpose. Nobody is born extra. It was not like your parents were getting bored, there was no internet in those days, they made love and you were born. It's not like that. If you are born, you have a purpose which only and only you can do and nobody else can do in your place. Nobody can do it in your place. So till we don't act on it, we keep feeling that there's something is incomplete. Okay? But when we take birth from a soul realm to a human realm, we are taking birth, now we have become somebody's Rani Beti, somebody's Raja Beta. Our parents want to give us the best life as much as they can do. उसमें हम जर्नी में भूल जाते हैं ना कि हम लोगों ने क्यों जन्म लिया भाई। किसी ने डिसाइड किया था कि हमको इंडिया की क्या, दुनिया में बच्चों की हालत बहुत ख़राब है, इन्फेंट मोर्टालिटी पे काम करना है, किसी को एनिमल्स पे काम करना है, किसी को प्लांट्स पे काम करना है, किसी को मैथ्स पे काम करना है। We forgot what our purpose was. तो 15, 16, 18, 20, 30, 40 अपने उम्र के एक पॉइंट पे आके there will be a trauma. Okay? Now that trauma will break you down. It will shake you up completely. मतलब आप क्या पढ़ने जा रहे थे और अब लग रहा है कि नहीं यार ये क्या हो गया, छोड़ दो जो भी पढ़ाई वढ़ाई की थी, अब तो ये करना है, अब तो इसका जवाब ढूंढना है, अब तो इसको सॉल्व करना है। मेरे जैसे और कितने लोग होंगे जिनको ये तकलीफ हुई। Now your trauma actually becomes the activation button for your soul's forgotten purpose. जब तक ये ट्रॉमा नहीं आता ना, तब तक तो आपको याद भी नहीं आता कि इसलिए पैदा हुए थे। तब तक तो ऐसे तुम पढ़ रहे हो जो भी मम्मी पापा ने बोला, बॉयफ्रेंड है, गर्लफ्रेंड है, ट्रॉमा है, भू अरिजीत के गाने सुन रहे हो, that's all that's happening. But it is the trauma that wakes you up and makes you the person you are supposed to become. And when you are walking on your path, that's when you can sleep in the night and say, आज मैं मर भी गया ना रात को तो भी I am okay, because I know that I am walking on my path. How do we go from hurt to hope? Okay. When there is massive hurt, we look for spiritual answers. Jaise you so beautifully said that, it's the crack where the light enters. And सब शास्त्रों में लिखा गया है that it's supposed to wake us up, it's supposed to make us more empathetic, it's supposed to make us more spiritual. Spirituality आपका हार्ट चक्र खोलेगा, ठीक है, आपको फील करने पे मजबूर करेगा ज्यादा, जो आप ऑर्डिनरी रास्ते में फील नहीं कर पाते। लेकिन स्पिरिचुअलिटी और एक स्पिरिचुअल एंगल काफी नहीं है। इट गिव्स यू अ लॉट ऑफ होप, बिकॉज जब हम ट्रॉमा में होते हैं ना तो हमको दिखता नहीं, हमको लगता है कि पूरा का पूरा मतलब बस खत्म, कुछ भी आगे नहीं होने वाला, दैट्स द एंड। स्पिरिचुअलिटी के साथ साथ सेल्फ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना बहुत जरूरी है। दैट ना ही कि अरे ट्रॉमा हो गया अब तुम मुझे बचाओ, भगवान बचाएगा, मेरा हस्बैंड बचाएगा, मेरी वाइफ बचाएगी, मेरे बच्चे बचाएंगे। नो, दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन। गाड़ी तो आपको ही चलानी है, पीछे से 4 लोग आपको धक्का मार देंगे अगर बैटरी डाउन हो गई है तो। चलानी तो आपको ही है. Taking responsibility for whatever the trauma is, that gives you a spinal cord. Life is supposed to break you down, and your job is to pick up some of your broken pieces and put it back together. Have you heard of this kintsugi, the Japanese art of fixing broken things with gold? जब कुछ टूट जाता है ना महंगा सा या अच्छा सा तो उसको गोल्ड से जोड़ते हैं. और क्यों जोड़ते हैं गोल्ड से? कि इसको एक्सपीरियंस मिल गया, अब इसकी वैल्यू बढ़ गई. Haven't we become more of ourselves because of what happened to us? Yes or no? We have. There is more value, there is more experience. I was the first woman in my husband's life. The first woman. He was 24 and I was 20 when we got married. For 24 years, I have been telling him, I wish you had a girlfriend before me. I wish you had an experience of being with a woman before me. I wish you had experienced heartbreak. Because it would add to you as a man. It would add to this relationship as well. Some of you must be thinking, क्या पागल औरत है, got अच्छा खासा, clean boy. Yeah, but not experienced. So he can't value what he is getting here.
So beautifully put about resilience, but like you said, there are two types of people. One
Yeah.
who manage to take self-responsibility,
Yeah.
claim their trauma, take their time to process it, and move on and find hope, light, purpose. We have so many examples from real life. Your idol, Oprah Winfrey, someone who was sexually abused as a child, she suffered neglect. Someone like a Malala, who has been the victim of extreme violence as a child, has had to uproot herself, move to another country with family, and has made that very pain her purpose, and is advocating against all the ills that made the traumatic event that happened to her. And then there's another set of people who sometimes, for lack of a support system, for lack of being able to step away and look at their own situation more objectively, you will be able to throw more light on why people are not able to get out of that victim mentality. And they keep repeating the same narrative. The trauma becomes them. It becomes their identity. What do you say to someone who you find is trapped in that vicious cycle and cannot separate who they are from what happened to them?
People stay in a victim zone because, first of all, they believe that this was not supposed to happen. They expect life to be painless, pain-free, easy, Netflix and chill. That is not why you have taken birth. You have taken birth to experience every aspect, all your emotions, 44 lessons of the soul, including failure, including doubt, including heartbreak, including everything. We have volunteered for this nonsense. Now imagine you're taking a ticket to Disneyland and you're just going there eating popcorn and coming back. अरे क्या करना है, मेरे को डर लगता है नो, व्हील ऊपर नीचे उल्टी हो गया तो मत जाओ, कपिल शर्मा देखो घर पे. एक तो वॉलंटियर कर रहे हो लाइफ के लिए और बहुत मिन्नतें करनी पड़ती हैं टू बी एबल टू हैव अ ह्यूमन बर्थ. इतना आसानी से नहीं मिलता. यू हैव वेटेड and waited and waited and waited for years and years and years. Now you have this birth and you want it to be easy? No, then you should have stayed in the soul world. Soul world में you want a 4 BHK, you blink your eyes, you got 4 BHK. You want soulmate, blink your eyes, you got soulmates. We still volunteer to come here, no? हम में से कुछ डेयर डेविल भी होते हैं, डिज्नीलैंड में जाके डिज्नीलैंड के हॉन्टेड हाउस में भी जाएंगे. Most of our lives are not haunted houses. But because we are expecting it to be so convenient, so easy, तो जरा सा लाइफ में डिफिकल्टी भी हो जाता है ना, तो हम बोलते हैं ट्रॉमा हो गया. अरे ट्रॉमा नहीं है भाई, डिफिकल्टी है थोड़ी सी. तुम्हारी सास के साथ तुम्हारी नहीं बनी वो ट्रॉमा नहीं है, वो इंडियन होने का पासपोर्ट है, तुम्हारा प्रूफ है. यहाँ पे हर घर में होता है, इसी पे सीरियल बनती है, इसी पे हमारी टीवी की इंडस्ट्री भी चलती है. But first of all, we've got to start, start, letting go of this word trauma, 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 trauma. These are learning experiences. That way, those child will go to school and say, "Mummy, next week exam hai, mera trauma shuru." It is a part of our learning. It is a part of our growing. Yes, there will be difficult experiences, but we are made up of that. We are supposed to make sure that we are tougher than the tougher situations and circumstances that are happening to us. Body बनानी है तो जिम में जाना पड़ेगा. आइसक्रीम खा के नहीं होगा. जिम में मजा नहीं आता. Unless of course you have a gym crush is a different thing. But मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी ना. पैसा कमाना है तो दिन के 12 घंटे काम करने पड़ेंगे. उठना पड़ेगा. वो कोजी से 15 डिग्रीज नागपुर के टेम्परेचर में से उठना पड़ता है. नहीं अच्छा लगता है. उठना पड़ता है. Every pain that you are going through is a spiritual gym. ऊपर जाके क्या मुंह दिखाओगे तुम भगवान को? कुछ नहीं है. वही टाइम पास किया, सुबह उठे, ब्रश किया, पोहा खाया, ऑफिस गए, पीपीएफ में 4 लाख रुपए छोड़ दिए, बच्चा ने फ्लैट ले लिया, झगड़ा झगड़ी हो गई, आ गए वापस. ये इतनी पकाऊ सी स्टोरी. Something to should be there, no? That I went through this also, that also. Fully satisfied, पैसा वसूल picture. It has to be a पैसा वसूल picture. देखो भाई, you are the director, you are the writer, you are the actor, you are the producer, financer of your own film. तुम्हारी पिक्चर तुमको अच्छी नहीं लगती है ना, तो स्क्रिप्ट तुम ही चेंज कर सकते हो, और कोई नहीं चेंज करेगा. कोई नहीं चेंज करेगा. तो अगर आप ये सिचुएशन में बैठे हैं कि मैं विक्टिम, मुझे आके कोई सपनों का सौदागर सफेद घोड़े पे आके मुझे बचाएगा, आप ही लेके आ सकते हो सफेद घोड़ा या सफेद गाड़ी या टैक्सी या उबर या रिक्शा, या चल के आओ. आप ही अपने हीरो या हीरोइन बन सकते हो. कोई नहीं आ रहा, कोई नहीं आने वाला. और अगर कोई आपको आके बचाता भी है ना, तो उसका प्राइस भी ले लेगा बराबर से. There are no free lunches in the world. The biggest falls that we have had have taught us our biggest lessons. I've learned this in business and I've learned this 3 years ago. अगर तुमको कोई भी इंसान मिलता है ना लाइफ में, जो तुमको बोलता है, अरे तेरे लिए तो मैं जान दे दूंगा, वो सबसे पहले तुम्हारी जान लेगा. ऐसे लोगों से दूर रहो. Staying in victim mode is going to become very comfortable. You can stay there for a very long time. It's like that sofa. रोज जाके वहीं बैठोगे, सोफा डिस्कलर हो जाएगा, ब्राउन का क्रीम हो जाएगा, गड्ढा हो जाएगा उसमें, फिर भी वहीं पे जाओगे. कोई और जाके आपकी जगह पे बैठ गया तो बोलोगे, ए उठ, ये मेरी जगह है, ये विक्टिम वाली जगह है. एंड वी लाइक टू वेयर अ क्राउन ऑफ थॉर्न्स. पता है कंपटीशन होते हैं दुनिया में. अरे तेरा दर्द क्या है, मेरा दर्द तेरे दर्द से ज्यादा है. फॉर सम पीपल, staying a victim is their only way of socializing also. They don't know what else to talk about. So they want to keep talking about the same thing. आप उनको अगर solution भी दे दोगे ना, अरे ये करना, हाँ वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन yes but, अरे ये जो but है ना, ये kick in the butt बन जाएगा तुमको किसी दिन. No one else is coming. But please understand one thing about your brain. For your brain, known pain becomes pleasure. Known pain is pleasure. जो भी तुम्हारे दिमाग को familiar लगता है, चाहे वो abuse है, चाहे वो bankruptcy है, चाहे वो बीमारी है, cancers हैं, divorces हैं तुम्हारे घर में, तुम्हारे ब्रेन को लगता है बराबर है यार, तेरे नाना नानी, तेरी मम्मी पापा सब इसी से गुजरे थे, बराबर, एकदम बराबर, विक्टिम ही रह तू मिडिल क्लास ही है, तू मिडिल क्लास ही रहेगी, तू बेकारी है, तू बेकार ही रहेगी. इट इज अ स्क्रिप्ट. कौन डाला ये स्क्रिप्ट तुम्हारे दिमाग में? ओनली यू कैन रिमूव दैट. डोंट बिलीव इट. डू नॉट बिलीव इट. If I tell you today, how many of you here sit with this belief system that I'm not good enough? Proudly raise your hands. It's not possible that there are only 7 people in a room of 300. I am not good enough is your belief system. Really? Don't lie. I can read your energy, remember? If I tell you that you're Katrina Kaif, do you become Katrina Kaif? Yes? So if somebody told you you are not good enough, how does that become true? How does it become true? और हम लोग का ना दिमाग पुराने सॉफ्टवेयर चाइल्डहुड 101 में घुसा पड़ा है. वहाँ पे किसी टीचर ने बोल दिया, किसी पुराने फ्रेंड ने बोल दिया, मम्मी पापा ने बोल दिया तुमसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. अभी तक वो सॉफ्टवेयर लगा के बैठे हैं भाई, अपडेट भी नहीं किया तब से. नो अपडेशन, pre-installed softwares, we are still working on those. We are still working, and victimization goes in generations. It goes in generations. But please, be that generation who will say, it stops at me now. It stops at me. I don't let this become my identity. It sounds very complicated. हाँ, you're talking, लेकिन कैसे change करे इसको? One day at a time. One step at a time. You know what I've learned about myself in this journey? पहले मैं compulsive people pleaser थी. How many of you are people pleasers? Yeah. Thank you for being honest. There are still 3 times more people than this. I was a compulsive people pleaser. Now I'm a retired people pleaser. I have understood one thing कि पहले मैं ना दुनिया को ये दिखाती थी, मेरा एक पार्ट, या शायद मैं बिलीव भी करती थी कि मैं तो बेचारी, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, जैसा आप बोलो मैं करूँगी. लाइफ ने मुझे इतने धक्के मारे हैं that now I have understood this about myself, that if push comes to shove, बहुत ज़्यादा तुमने मुझे धक्का मारा ना भाई, तो मैं तुमको मेरे ऐसे ऐसे कलर्स दिखाऊंगी जो तुमने कलर बॉक्स में जिंदगी में नहीं देखे होंगे. We have so many sides to ourselves. But we have to be willing to stop being that मैं बिचारी अबला नारी, me poor guy, मेरे कंधे पे दुनिया भर का बोझ है, मैं क्या ही करूं, मेरे पास सपोर्ट नहीं है, मुझे कोई समझता नहीं है, मेरे पापा मेरे सर पे फाइनेंशियल डेट छोड़ के गए, मेरे मम्मी पापा गुजर गए, मेरी वाइफ डिवोर्स करके चली गई. हाँ, यस यस यस, आई अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम्पैथाइज, आई एम सेंडिंग यू लव. But you will have to tear this script and move beyond. किसी के डेथ से भी आपकी लाइफ खत्म नहीं होती. काश हो जाती, काश हो जाती. But learning from loss is also one of the very important 44 lessons of the soul. डिवोर्स के साथ भी आपकी लाइफ खत्म नहीं होती, बैंक्रप्सी के साथ भी आपकी लाइफ खत्म नहीं होती. आपकी लाइफ तब खत्म होती है जब आप डिसाइड करते हो कि बस अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता या मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. Even if that is you at the age of 15 or 30 or 45. ज़्यादातर लोग, most people, in fact a lot of people, they are alive, but they are just rehearsing being dead. मरने की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं रोज रोज. अब तो क्या है, कितना ही बचा है, मतलब ठीक है, अब तो क्या ही करें, क्यों ही करें, बस अब ठीक है. अरे मर जाओगे, मर जाओगे, मरने के लिए तुमको प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जब तक जिंदा हो तब तक तो जी लो. इट्स वेरी शॉर्ट, और इतना आसान नहीं है मरना. आई हैव सीन ओल्डर पीपल 10 साल बोलेंगे बस अभी तो हमको जाना है, अब हमको छुट्टी दो, हमको छुट्टी दो. वेंटिलेटर पे है भाई, 11 दिन वेंटिलेटर पे, फिर भी जान नहीं निकलती. That's how much we really want to live. So if we want to live only, then living like a victim is no fun. Then live full-fledged. क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा? 4 लोग ये बोलेंगे, अरे ये तो निकम्मा है, अरे ये तो रिबेल है, ब्लैक शीप. मुबारक हो, जिस दिन तुमको किसी ने ब्लैक शीप डिक्लेयर कर दिया ना कि ये तो किसी के नहीं सुनती, उस दिन आपको स्टैंप मिल जाता है कि ये रिबेल है, ये अपने तरीके से जिंदगी जिएगा. मुबारक हो, क्योंकि आप गुड गर्ल गुड बॉय बन के जो विक्टिमाइजेशन का स्क्रिप्ट पहन रहे हो ना, लगा रहे हो ना रोज रोज, तुमको मरते मरते भी कोई मेडल नहीं देने वाला. किसको मिल गया आज तक सच ए गुड बॉय सच ए गुड गर्ल का मेडल? किसी को मिला? नहीं मिला. बट हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर लिविंग जस्ट टू नॉट बी कॉल्ड अ बैड गर्ल और अ बैड बॉय? रेज योर हैंड्स. स्कैर्ड, वो लोग को ऐसा लगा तो, बुरा लगा तो, व्हाट इफ दे स्टॉप लविंग मी? दिस इज व्हाट इज कंट्रोलिंग आवर लाइफ. वी आर वॉलंटियर. आप किसी का एक बार विक्टिम बन सकते हो, एक बार. चलो आपके साथ कुछ हुआ, एक बार विक्टिम बन गए. उसके बाद भी आप विक्टिम नहीं हो भाई, उसके बाद आप वॉलंटियर हो कि ये विक्टिम रोल के लिए मैं वॉलंटियर करती हूं. When do you want to stop is really up to you, up to nobody else. You can make that decision now. That's it. I'm leaving my victimization here. Kavya will take it home with her and she will put it in the trash can. From tomorrow, I live a different story. It's really up to you. Okay?
Well said. And this is where I want to bring in the aspect of mental health and well-being in general being a collective issue for society. Because like you're saying, we do so much for social validation. We do so much worrying ke log kya kahenge. If I don't look this way, if I am a pattern breaker also, I'll lose that validation. So I'm taking on more trauma in that sense. How can we as a society, practice small actions when we, especially as a society that talks so openly about mental health issues and, it's okay to be vulnerable and say it out loud. How can we start actually being supportive in action when we discover that a loved one or a friend or someone is struggling? Because not everybody ends up going to a therapist. Yes. And your family, while you might expect them to show up for you in a certain way, and while they may have the best of intentions, may not always be able to deliver at the level you're expecting, thereby compounding the problem. So where do we stand as a human race? How much of our judgment do we need to lose, and how much do we need to lose that concern ke लोग क्या कहेंगे?
सबसे पहले वो लोग बनना छोड़ दो, क्योंकि आपके बाजू में जो बैठा हुआ ना, वो आपसे ही डर रहा है कि ये क्या कहेगा. आपके राइट और लेफ्ट में देखो, शक्लें देखो जरा लोगों की. यही वो 4 लोग हैं, यही हैं, सारे के सारे यही हैं. स्टॉप बीइंग दोज पीपल. डोंट बी अ ग्रुप ऑफ दैट 4 लोग क्या कहेंगे. जिन लोगों के पास खुद काम ज्यादा नहीं होता, वो दूसरे लोगों के बारे में स्टोरीज बनाते हैं. ठीक है? प्लीज स्टॉप मेकिंग अदर पीपल्स प्रॉब्लम्स गॉसिप. दैट इज योर पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, because what you do is going to come back to you. You are going to become gossip on somebody else's table. So if you don't want to be a part of that, stop gossiping and don't encourage gossiping. हमारे यहाँ पे किटी पार्टियों के ग्रुप्स होते 2-2 घंटे, अरे पता है उसका ये हुआ ये हुआ ये हुआ, फिर एंड में बोलेंगे छोड़ो हमें क्या. Really? 2 hours of my life and then छोड़ो हमें क्या? But this is the truth. Second, drop the judgments. बहुत easily हम लोग ऐसे labels लगा देते हैं, वो तो ऐसा ही है, वो तो narcissistic है, वो तो bipolar है, वो तो वैसा है बड़ा. आप जितने भी judgment डालते हैं ना दूसरे लोगों पे, जितने आप जजमेंट डाल रहे हैं, समझो कि हर एक जजमेंट आपके सामने आपकी रास्ते का पत्थर बन रहा है. योर जजमेंट्स विल कम इन योर वे. अगर आपके सामने कोई इंसान है तो जरा सोचिए 2 मिनट कि कुछ तो हुआ होगा उसकी लाइफ में कि चलो उसका अफेयर हो गया, कुछ तो हुआ होगा उसकी लाइफ में कि चलो उसकी बैंकरप्सी हो गई. कोई मस्ती के लिए नहीं करता ये सब. पीपल, देयर इंटरनल हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफीज आर वेरी डीप. So respect that before you throw in a judgment, because people are scared of you. Third, stop giving advice. जो एडवाइस आप खुद के लिए यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, जो एक्स्ट्रा पड़ी है, वो आप दूसरे लोगों को देते हैं, उनको भी नहीं चाहिए. But if you really want to help somebody, heal yourself first. लोग जब हीलर के पास आते हैं तो बहुत डिस्टर्ब माइंड से आते हैं. जब मेरे पास आते हैं ना तो ऐसे आके बोलते हैं कि मैम आपको देख के ही हम आधा ठीक हो गए. बिकॉज इफ यू आर अ हीलर, इफ यू वांट टू बी अ हीलर इन योर ओन कैपेसिटी, जस्ट हील योर सेल्फ. योर एनर्जी इटसेल्फ विल हील समबडी एल्स. इट्स लाइक बीइंग अ फ्रिज. वो अंदर खुद ठंडा ठंडा कूल है, जो भी खाना जाएगा उसको भी ठंडा कूल करेगा. फ्रिज को एडवाइस देने की जरूरत नहीं है. But people learn by being around good people. Can we do a small experiment? Okay, all right. Everybody just raise your hands. Listen to my instruction carefully, okay? Good listeners. Raise your hands. Now put your hand down. Raise your hand again. Take your hand on your right hand side. Don't hit anybody. Right hand side. Take it in the front. Take your hand on the top. Take it down. Take it in the front. I want you to join your first finger and thumb. Join your first finger and thumb. Hand on your chin. Chin, sir, chin. Chin, chin. Chin, chin. This was taught to us in nursery. What is this teaching you? People are not going to listen.
Also, we're not
will
thinking for ourselves.
Do as they see you do. So if you want them to change something, you first change it within yourselves. I want to take them through a quick healing visualization. You think we can do that?
Yes, please. I think everyone would love that.
Okay. I just need some music to be played. आपका YouTube या कुछ मुझे चला. Sorry, I came and I straight started talking instead of organizing this for you. हाँ, लगा YouTube खोलिए. Daily Prayer by Craig Bruce. DEI. Just put your bags down, take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Don't be distracted. Jackets, rackets, cup of coffee, put it down. Be fully present, fully present. Okay? Are you guys at least 20% convinced that we should maybe leave our traumas and victim stories here and go? Are you willing to do that? Because I want to assist you in doing that. Okay? Right. Now, if anybody here who's saying, नहीं मैं तो नहीं छोड़ूंगा अभी, I'm not ready mentally, उसको करने दो जो करना है, मुझे तो बदला लेना है अभी, उसे KEI कैसे ऐसे थोड़ी मैं छोड़ दूँ, मतलब मुफ्त में आ गया, पैसा भी नहीं भरा रजिस्ट्रेशन का, क्यों छोड़ूँ भाई? Our egos are attached to our problems, right? But try, just give it a shot. Okay, close your eyes. I want you to imagine that the end of your spinal cord is growing roots going deep into the center of the earth. End of your spinal cord, growing roots going deep into the center of the earth. Low volume पे play कीजिए और advertisement जाने दीजिए. I want you to imagine that as these roots go deep into the center of the earth, it's forming a connection with the earth. You're getting support from Mother Nature. And it's also a pathway and a passageway कि जो भी हम कचरा लेके भर के बैठे हैं ना, उसको जाने दो अभी, जमीन में जाने दो. Now I want you to imagine that you are finally ready. You're finally ready. आपके सामने एक बॉक्स है और जिन भी लोगों से आपको तकलीफ है उन सब लोगों को उस बॉक्स में बिठा दीजिए. Just make them sit in that box and tell them I'm very angry at you. I'm very angry at you. I'm very hurt because of you. I'm very scared because of you. But still, I'm willing and I'm daring to let this go. And now just see the trauma that happened in your life. Whatever that trauma was, whether you were 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever that trauma was, just think of it. कितने टुकड़ों में उसने आपको तोड़ा है, कितनी तकलीफ हुई है, कितना अपसेट हुआ है. Just think of it. But now I also want you to think कि अगर आपके पास एक मैजिक इरेजर होता जिससे आप ये ट्रॉमा मिटा सकते, would you like to use this? But if you use this eraser, it will also erase all the strengths you got because of this. It will also erase the friends you made because of this. It will erase the qualifications that you got, the confidence that you got, the motivation that you got, the purpose that you got. It will erase all of that. Everything that has come because of the trauma, it will erase. Do you still want to erase it? Maybe not. So today we are going to celebrate that trauma. I want you to imagine you have flowers in your hands. Imagine you have flowers in your hands. और जैसे एक लड़की की शादी होती है तो वो चावल पीछे फेंकती है ना, वैसे ही we are going to throw these imaginary flowers at the back. But tell your trauma right now, thank you. It was very difficult. You were very difficult. I was never prepared for you. I was not prepared for you. I did not want you. I fought you. I'm still fighting you. But thank you. You taught me a lot. And if I haven't learnt my lessons yet, I know that you still will teach me a lot. But thank you for the friends I made. Thank you for the confidence. Thank you for the spirituality it gave me. Thank you for the sensitivity it gave me. Thank you for the love I received, the support I received. Thank you for making me stand on my own 2 feet. And if I still haven't got the benefits, thank you in advance. But I'm willing to give this away now. I am willing to give this away now. I'm willing to give this away now. And I want you to throw these flowers at the back at the count of 1, 2, and 3. At the count of 1, 2, and 3. Throw these flowers at the back. 1, 2, and 3. This is over now. This is over. This is over. This is over. I want you to hold yourself in a big wide hug. Big wide hug. Hold yourself in a hug. Don't be conjuice. We need to celebrate ourselves sometimes. Hold yourself in a hug. I still don't see all of you hugging yourselves. You know, one thing that each one of us really, really wants in our life, it's to be acknowledged. It's to be acknowledged for the pain we went through, for the struggle that we went through. We want other people to see how far we have come, but we rarely get that. I want to acknowledge you for that. And each one of you in this room, I want you to acknowledge the other person. I'm going to play a song now. And you're all going to get up. Get up from your places. And I want you to hug the other person close to you and congratulate them for how far they've come. Congratulate them for the trauma that they've gone through and that they are coming out of it, or the willingness to come out of it. You've done a very good job. Life has not been easy. It is not meant to be easy. But if nobody told you they are proud of you, this is me telling you, I am so proud of you. I'm so proud.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए
Get up from your seats. It's time to hug your partners. Spread the love. Everyone needs a little bit of healing. Everyone needs it. Look into their eyes. Look into their eyes. They've gone through a lot of pain. They've gone through a lot of pain. Get out of your seats a little bit. Don't be so conservative. Get out. Check the person to your right, the person to your left.
सच होने की खातिर जो सपने कीमत मांगेंगे जाग के रातें कीमत भर देना जब नजदीक से देखें तो खुशियों के आंसू आए तू नजरों को वो मंजर देना
You guys don't know how to hug? Should I teach you? You hold your arm.
एक दिन मिटाएगी तेरी हजार खामियां करके दिखा कमाल वो आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां शाबाशियाँ 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 शाबाशियाँ
Nagpur, you are very conjuice. You are the conjuicest crowd I have seen. No hugs for your partners. What is this? Thank you, everybody. Thank you, and God bless.
Thank you so much, Kavyal, for giving us that beautiful gift of a new perspective on pain, on whatever little hurts we're all carrying along with us. It truly does feel like Kinzuki for our hearts, doesn't it? Like we're filling the cracks with gold. And probably this is how healing is supposed to feel in the end, leave you feeling more valuable, more precious, richer in experience, more purposeful, and more joyful. So thank you so much for your wisdom,
Thank
your
you.
energy, and your time, Kavyal.
Thank you very, very much, guys. Thank you for being here. We got to vacate the room, but I will be outside. Okay, so whoever wants their photographs or whatever, just see me outside. We can't keep the other people waiting.